Nom 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 nom. She's just making faces at me.
It's so funny.
You like it?
Look at all she ate.
Oh no, don't run away! Come back!
Come get your apple.
She's not gonna come if you stick the apple in her face.
Gonna eat the chim instead.
Ooh, there we go.
She
Drag the apple with her. Hello.
Hi, Piggy.
Nom 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 nom.
I can stick her nose into it.
She ran away with it and then tugged on it because of the skin. Nom 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 nom.
She ate a lot.
Yes, she did. Is that good?
It was biting a toothbrush.
Is Ryan getting ready? Did he brush his teeth?
Look how much baby ate.
Baby eat a lot.
Oh, look at all.
Is that yummy? I don't think you should eat the whole apple. You'll get a tummy ache.
Well, it looks like she is. Now I think Nia might eat the whole
I'm not gonna let her eat the whole. Say hi. Say hi.
Yeah, good.
Do you like it? Say yes, I do.
Baby.
Yummy? Is that yummy? Stop.
Oh my gosh, she's eating like we do.
I know.
Come listen to her.
Chomp chomp.